Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term LOML. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, LOML is love of my life. People use it when talking about someone very special or a cherished romantic partner. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. LOML first showed up in early 2000s online chat and texting communities. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young people and social media users. Now let's check out how to use LOML in a sentence. Correct example 1. She told her friends that her boyfriend is her LOML and she couldn't be happier. Correct example 2. I just called my sister my LOML because she always supports me. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said LOML at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using LOML right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. LOML means love of my life, used to describe a very special person. It started in early 2000s texting slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with LOML in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.